Hey, it's Similolu here, and in this video I'm just going to show you one of the platforms on which I purchase Bitcoin. Well, I actually buy and sell, but obviously you got to purchase the Bitcoin before you can sell. So the name of the platform is Gemini.com, and that'll take you straight to the home page where it will walk you through how to open a new account. Now, in my case, I already have an existing account, so I'm just going to log on to it. And then it takes you straight to the home page. I believe it's the dashboard, this tab right here. And the only two tabs we're going to or rather I'm going to talk about in this video just the dashboard and the transfer tab. Okay, so to fund your account, once you have opened an account, you need to go to the transfer tab, and right here, there's only two things you can do here. You can either deposit money into your Gemini account or you can withdraw. Now, we're depositing and currency. The only fiat currency they accept is US dollars. Every other currency here is actually cryptocurrency, and the currency we're going to purchase is Bitcoin. And this here is the symbol for Bitcoin, BTC. Now, let's see. In this instance, I already have here $10 I've placed on this account just to show you how I purchase Bitcoin on this platform. So that's about all that goes on this tab, the transfer tab. And now over to the dashboard. And right on this tab, we can see here, it shows me the sum of all my cryptos, and in this case I have $228 worth of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin particularly, and $10 worth of cash. And here you can see I do not have any of these altcoins, and these altcoins are Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Zcash. Now I don't have any of those, not on this platform anyway. So to purchase Bitcoin, I'm going to just click on Bitcoin here, and right here this down arrow allows you to buy, sell, or create an alert. Now you'd want to create an alert if you want to, obviously it makes sense to buy low and sell high. So I use this alert to let me know when the price of Bitcoin, say if the price of Bitcoin comes down to 10,000, then I want to buy. But for the purpose of this video, we're just going to click the buy, which is on that already. Click next. Oh, there was something I missed. Wait. Let's go back. Click buy, and then down here you can purchase Bitcoin just this once. You can purchase it on a daily basis, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. So that's probably a decent way to, ensure that you're regularly investing in cryptocurrency. But for me, I just buy as and when. So the once, that does the trick. Click next. Put in the $10 that I've made available for this video, and review the order. Yes, I'm going to pay, it charges me a 99-cent fee. I'll pay that. I'll place the order, and voila, success. I have placed a $10 order, and I have purchased this amount of Bitcoin. So my order has gone through, and if we click on completed transactions, there it is. There's a buy order there, right there, for $10, and there's all my previous buy orders there. Okay, so that's that. So I've purchased $10 worth of Bitcoin. My cash balance has gone to 0. my Bitcoin balance should go up. And probably the only other thing I want to mention about this platform is, let's get out of here. It's kind of nifty that it shows you the value of your investment over the past day, over the past week. It shows here, and if you look at the top here, you'll see that value changes. On Friday, this would have been worth $231. Saturday went up to $241, etc., etc. Some point on Monday at 2 p.m. it went up to $256. So you can basically just kind of, just get a visual view of how your investment is doing. So that's what that is. Just thought to mention that. And that is pretty much it. Probably one more little thing I want to mention is this section up here called the Cryptoverse. Now this is pretty new, and let's click on it just to show what it does. Okay, so buy once, but here you see it's got Cryptoverse, and what it does is when you're ready to when you want to invest and you're not really sure whether you want to buy Bitcoin or you want to diversify your account, then it's a good idea maybe to just purchase on the Cryptoverse. So what it does is it takes your amount. So for the $10 that I just used to buy 100% of Bitcoin, if I click here to purchase $10 here where it says Cryptoverse, it will distribute my $10 and it will allocate 84.77% of my $10 to Bitcoin, 9% to Ether, 2.79% to Bitcoin Cash, and the like. So it helps to diversify your portfolio. It's not quite what I want to do, but it's perfect for maybe newbies. You're new to cryptocurrency, you're not too sure what you want to do. It's a good idea to just diversify your portfolio. So if you spend $100, you want to invest $100, it will split it across these various cryptocurrencies in this particular order. So that's a nifty new feature. It's pretty new. Okay, and that's about it. That's all I want to talk about today on this video. One last thing, and quite important. If you want to open a Gemini account, then I'm going to put a link in the description box just below this video. You click on the link, it'll take you to the home page where you get to open your own account. The beauty of it is you get $10 as soon as you have purchased up to $100 worth of cryptocurrency. And then I get $10 for referring you. Well, that's it for this video. If you have found any value whatsoever, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe, which always helps you get my videos as soon as I get them out. If you have any questions, any suggestions, drop them in the comment box, and I will meet you on the next video.